So in today's video, we will be discussing the similarities and differences between the US and Canadian Supreme Courts. What's going on, you guys? My name is Nazar, and I talk all things law. Let's start by talking about the similarities. The US Supreme Court is located in Washington, D.C., and is home to the highest court in the United States. This is also known as the United States Supreme Court. It is the most important court in the US as it sets precedents, and the cool thing about the Supreme Court is that they are able to change decisions previously made by older Supreme Courts or change decisions made by lower court. The most prominent and famous example of an overturned case would be Roe v. Wade. If you guys remember, in the 1980s, it was overturned for the first time, in which abortion was made legal. However, in 2022, the case was overturned once more by the Supreme Court and abortion was made illegal. On the other hand, in the Canadian Supreme Court, it is located in Ottawa. It sets the precedent and is able to overturn specific cases. The biggest difference between both Supreme Courts is how they are organized. The US Supreme Court consists of 9 justices, while Canada's Supreme Court consists of 8 justices. The US Supreme Court justices are appointed by the President, while Canada's Supreme Court justices are appointed by the Governor General of Canada. Now, the cool thing is that in both sets of Supreme Courts, once you are elected, then you are there for life. So let's say you are elected to be the new Supreme Court Justice of Canada. You are there for life. You cannot be fired, you cannot be changed, you cannot be removed for any decision that you make. You're there for life until you step down as a Supreme Court Justice. So another difference between both US and Canada Supreme Courts is that for a decision to be made, in the US, all you need is a majority count for a decision to be overturned or changed. However, in Canada, you need at least 5 justices to agree on one topic for something to change. Another difference is that in the US, the appointment of these justices are extremely politicized. In Canada, appointing a Supreme Court justice is less politicized, focusing more on picking the best possible candidate for that position. But both serve important roles in their countries respectively. If you guys want to learn more about the law, click this video right here.